Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to cash stuff my savings challenges. I'm going to be using the dice throughout apart from one savings challenge, I do believe. So let me get started. £140 here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, and I'm slacking because I know at some point I will have some extra money to cash stuff. So what I'll have to do is go back over my budget and check where exactly I'm gonna fit that in. I'm gonna start with my 100 envelopes, and I will be using green. Let's do green. Right, green, and we'll do this. That's leaned up. What do you think? Should we leave it as a 3, you think? Leave it as a 3. That's 5 and 3 is 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's £10, and let's go again. 5 and 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's £5, so that's 15. Let's see if I've got some change. Okay, so we put 5 in there and 10 in here, and we leave it as that. If you're new here to my channel, I always roll twice for the 100 envelopes challenge. So that one's done for today, and let's get on with the big ones. I have got the £150 one. What am I going to roll today? Let's do the wooden ones today. Get that out of the way because we're finished with that one. And put that here. That is 2 and 3 is 5. Let's put that on the calculator. So that's 5, 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 5. Let's just do a 4 and a 1. Let's not get things complicated. 6 and 5, 11. There's a 6 and a 5. 11. That's 16. Okay, let's do one more. Oops. 5, 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Here's a 3 and 2. Add 5. That's 21. So we'll just put 20 in today. For that, let's get it into the big roll the dice. And then I'm excited because I've got the roll and strike to do. Oh dear, that's another one. Right, so that one's done for this time. time, and let's do I'll use the same color, why not? And I will change the dies to red. Let's do a red. I think I did a red the last time. I think let's do a blue. No, let's do a white. So let's go. This one again, if you are new to my channel, or if you've not seen this savings challenge before, it's called Roll and Strike, and you roll one die, strike out the number rolled, play until you can't strike out anymore, and colour the remaining box and save that amount, then move to the next box. So we're on to this box today. 1. All right. Come on. 2. Come on, please. Oh, goodness me. So we've got 6 and 5 is 11. And 4 is 15. 3 is 18 pounds. So we will just colour that. 18 pounds. So we'll do 20. That away, Roll and Strike. That's £20 saved this week, and we will do the 52 weeks now. And I rolled the dice for this. Let me see, let's do 2 white ones. The 52 weeks. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. That's £30. Okay, save £30. That's all right. At the end of this challenge, I will have saved £1,000. So that's good. And it's getting on really well. And then we've got the mini roll the dice. Let's do the mini roll the dice, and I will change these to purple. I've got 1 transparent one and 1 solid purple. Mini, where's your mini? Where's the mini? Okay. So that's 2. That's 2 ones. Let's just do 2 ones. Follow the rules. That's 2. 5 and 4 is 9. 5 and 4. That's 11 total. And 4 and 1, that's 5. Let's see what we've got there. That's 16. So we'll put 15 in today. 4 and 1. I think I might have crossed out all the ones. 4 and 1. Oh, it's only 1. Doesn't matter. So 16, so we put 15 in. Yeah, we'll do £1.50. Alright, it's looking good anyway. How's your savings been going? I hope well. You know, sometimes it's a chore to actually set up yourself and do your savings challenge, but keep going, keep going. Now I've got the monthly, the mini monthly to do, so let's do that. Where is my mini monthly? It's in here. And I think I'll finish March now. Let's do March. Each line is £5, so I will just do the last 2 lines, which will be 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's for March. And let's get some change. Right, all done for March. Okay, that's it for another week. All stuffed, and this is rollover £30 for sinking funds. I'm really trying to get those envelopes stuffed and completed as best I can, as quickly as I can. So I think the next cash stuffing will be the sinking funds. I think I'll have to check. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.